Hello, welcome to Skills and Learning Development. Today in this video or in this presentation, I will talk about settlement cycle in capital market. Most of us are familiar with share market and most of traders trade in shares, in derivatives, in options and so many stuff present in financial markets or called as financial instruments in financial markets. So, once a buyer bought the share, what happens afterward? How a buyer get the shares or get the money from others, or how his money or his share goes to others. Let's talk about that in a brief presentation. So here's one slide I have prepared for that, which is showing the settlement cycle and process in capital market segment in capital market. So on the right side, working days, it reflects here, the T reflects the trading day, and down T+1 reflects trading day plus 1 day, means next day of trading day, and so on and so forth, up to trading plus 9 days. What happens there in those 9 days? So first, let's see from the left side and see the activities in middle. So on the trading day, rolling settlement trading. So one buyer buy the shares or sell the shares. On the next day, clearing part goes to the custodials. There are two national depository and central depository custodial depositories in India who are responsible for clearing process. So once they confirm the delivery or the share buying or selling process, so that on the same day the delivery generation happens. So next day, T+2 days, the settlement of fund, either fund has to come in or go out, that thing happens there. The valuation of debit, they calculate on the day second how much is pending and how much is surplus are there. And post settlement, what happens after T+2 days? It goes to the auction, and auction settlement also happens there in case there is a physical delivery or something like that. So bad delivery reporting, in case trader is failed to pay or he's not able to provide the shares. For example, there is a sale but there is no shares in his account. So that time it will call as bad delivery report. That will be reported by custodial authorities to the brokers and from the brokers to share traders or the commodity traders. Rectified bad delivery, pay in and pay out. That happens on T6 days. So these are liabilities goes on the seller or the buyers respectively, whichever is the case. Bad delivery reporting and pickup, that happens on the T+8 days. Close out of the bad delivery and fund, pay in and pay out. That's the final liabilities. And after that, if something is not happening in terms of bad delivery, then they will close the account of the shareholder or account of the demat account holder, and they will put the liability through the legal process. So these are the all steps which are followed in the market in the settlement cycle. So hope you like this, and this was for today. We'll coming soon with the new topics in future. Thank you.